Hey, little guy. You okay? How you doing? Hi. Did you get stuck in here? Don't worry, I'll help you. Here you go, little guy. You okay? Everything's okay. Here, I'll open the window for you. One moment, please. Hi, little guy. See those little friends of yours flying around? Here you go. Have fun. You can go now. You can fly, right? You can go. Little cutie. I guess you got stuck in here while the window was open, right? Come on, you can go. You can trust me. You can go. Go. Come on, guy. You can fly, right? Oh, there you go. Yay! He flew away. Look at him go. Oh, that's adorable. How nice.